Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
Today we have what is hopefully not our last P.LOUISE mystery box. P.LOUISE is a beauty company out of the United Kingdom and they make all kinds of makeup, skincare, hair care. They're launching into hair care. I think they're growing their line and their different products. The skincare I think is relatively new as of last year. So it started off with makeup with a few products and it keeps growing and growing and growing. The creativity in the P.LOUISE line is insane. The budget box that we get every month is typically an actual theme that they make the products for the box, and then you can buy it later. But if it's a theme for...
And not always buy it later, though.
Yeah, that not everything's available later. Similar products are, but those particular ones you may not find on the website ever again. Same thing with the Advent calendar we did a review on. So the reason I say hopefully not our last mystery box, in addition to the budget boxes, she's been doing mystery boxes from time to time. So for either, I think this one was a mini mystery box and this one's $20. She also does one that is a regular size mystery box and it's $39. But she posted on one of her socials in the last month that she may not do any more of the mystery boxes because there's been, I guess, kickback from some of the people that get them that they didn't like this color theme or they didn't like that color theme or they don't need this or they don't need that. To me, that's the point of a mystery box. You don't know what you're going to get. It's a grab bag. You spend $20 or $40 to get who knows what surprises that you may or may not want. If you don't want them, find somebody else who does. But it's so exciting to just get a surprise in the mail. So P.LOUISE, please don't stop doing the mystery boxes. So I had to grab this one. We wanted to get a couple things. There was a sale recently and it was like, let's go ahead and get another mystery box, and just in case they're not doing it anymore. Yeah. So we did recently do a mini mystery box. This might be similar products. It might be totally different. But also in this box is what we ordered in addition to the mystery box.
It's cute that it's a mini, like a mini budget box.
Okay, looking. So I have the full-size budget box still here. We did the review a few days ago. And it's exactly the same box, but it's tiny.
Isn't it
adorable? It's adorable.
Adorableness.
Yeah, so I cannot wait to see what's in here.
We can't wait to show you the inside.
Ooh. Oh, I forgot. There was for ordering this month you get a free product.
Oh my gosh, I saw some stuff in there. I'm freaking out. I'm excited. Please don't stop doing these.
So this product came with any order in January.
Yes.
And this is a new product. This is, well, no, it's not a new product. It is a new product, but
it is new.
It's a setting spray, which is not a new product, but the fruity line is new.
Yes, this is a new line of the setting spray. So we got to take it out of the packaging and smell it. Look how cute it is. Fruity thick setting spray. And then the key gives you, it goes over, it's orange. And
I can't wait.
It goes over the ingredients, so I can't wait to smell it. And she has so many other fragrances.
Let's see how it mists. Ooh, that's a nice mist.
It's not overly orange.
Oh, it smells nice. And it doesn't leave you feeling soggy.
So we got a mini size of it. This is so cute, y'all. This is adorable.
So we're going to show you what we ordered first.
And I got the Glisten to Your Heart silver eyeliner. It's called Silver Spark because we had the rose gold and like a copper. And I wanted a silver one too because I wear the others, but there were some times I wish I had silver. Oh, it's taped down. Give me a second. We're going to open it.
We got some with a mystery box last year, and then we got 2 more with the Advent calendar. And did we decide they're exactly the same colors?
No, they were a shade different.
They're both in the gold family, both sets, which they're gorgeous, but we wanted a silver.
Awkward. Okay, so I opened it and swatched it. Look at that pretty.
So pretty. Ooh, it's got some iridescence in it.
Make it a little bit thicker. I didn't really spread it out because my hand.
It's really pretty.
I tried. The others look really pretty on your eye when I've worn them. But here's the silver sparkle. Look at that. That's
and they dry down nice.
It does dry down nice. So.
This was the other thing we ordered. This was the You Scrub Up Well body scrub.
And peppermint from her Christmas collection because I wanted it. I wanted quite a bit of her Christmas collection. And I love body scrubs.
I want to say that these were they on half price? There was a half price sale she had, which is why we ordered it. We're going to smell it. I want to see what it looks like too. Oh,
it's red.
It's red. Ooh.
Peppermint.
I can't smell it at all.
It's good.
My smeller isn't smelling peppermint. But Krista says it smells good, so I believe her.
It smells like cherry and peppermint.
I can smell, to me it smells like a little vanilla or a warm smell, but like I said, you guys know my smeller is a little wacky, but
this
really
is so
nice.
cute. So I've been wanting to try her body scrub. And the container is
it's so cute.
absolutely
and some of it fell on the table, so it does smell, it really smells nice. It's just I can't smell the peppermint. Okay, so now we get to see what we got for our $20 mystery. I want to show you this because I am the bubble bath queen around here. Testing the waters, and this is a bubble bath.
And the Christmas. This is what it's called.
This almost looks like a Valentine's one.
Day. It is.
Ooh, nice.
What fragrance does it say?
It doesn't say the fragrance. You want to open it and smell it?
Yep, Love Potion, Testing the Waters, bubble bath. And didn't you get a bubble bath the first calendar?
No, I got a body wash. That was amazing.
Wash. That was amazing. Yeah, we've had 2 body washes, and I loved them. I had one, and she had one.
Yeah.
And they were amazing. Ooh, it's kind of like fruity, strawberry.
My nose just must not be working. I just can't. I'm not smelling that.
It's not overpowering, so it's a nice light scent. But oh my gosh, we got a bubble bath, and
I'm very excited.
Yes, that's gonna be best go to.
Okay, I'm gonna let Krista do the next one because I know what
this one.
No, I did that one.
Okay, so next one we have something from P.LOUISE Skin.
Ooh.
And it's sealed. Let me see what it says. Don't sleep on me. Plump
it
up.
Lip mask.
Oh, another lip mask. Oh, I wonder what fragrance. Ooh, in plum.
Ooh.
So we're not gonna open it because it's sealed because we have some open now. But look how. Oh, I bet it's gonna be purple. Oh, this is exciting because
really pretty.
Lip masks are nice.
Are these the ones that come in the macaron, or is that the scrubs?
Yes.
Yeah, it's gonna be cute. Whatever it looks like.
Exactly. It's either the heart shaped. The balm is in the heart. The scrub is in the macaron.
Okay, so so this will be a heart-shaped container. She's right. The scrub comes in that looks like a little macaron cookie, and this looks like a little heart package. So the last thing in our little $20 thing is a tear-proof, waterproof mascara that Krista swears by.
We got one in a box. I bought one for backup, and now we have another one because now I can start using it more because I used it just for like going out and stuff. So because my eyes will smudge underneath, and this is wonderful. So now I can start using it every day because now we have 2 backups. Well, Beth can have one now.
Yeah. But again, they're in the UK, and you have to pay shipping every order, which is around $15 an order. So we only put together an order when there's stuff that they're either having a sale or something we just really, really, really want. So for her to have ordered this with other stuff and paid shipping, that really speaks to its quality.
Yeah.
And we got one in this. I'm not going to open this one because it'll start drying out, but the packaging is so pretty.
It is very pretty.
And now we have.
And it feels good when you hold it. So Beth can actually have the waterproof one, and she has the regular one that we got at Christmas, right?
In the advent calendar, we got not the tear-proof one, but a regular
one. And then I have the one tear-proof I'm using plus one unopened. So this was really, really good.
Our $20, well worth our $20.
And this came with
freebie.
This came with the mystery bundle. It wasn't.
So if the mystery bundle is still available and you order for your $20 plus shipping, you will get this. Now, if you're in the UK, your shipping is going to be really a lot less, or you can actually maybe go pick it up at the Empire. You never know, but you will get one of those with every order. But wherever you are in the world, this is still worth the money.
It is so worth it.
Love it.
Don't let the shipping deter you.
I really hope that the mystery boxes don't stop.
It dried down. It doesn't bud.
I have some liquid glitter eyeliners I got from Temu. And obviously Temu and P.LOUISE are worlds apart. And they smear so bad. And these do not.
Quality speaks.
Quality speaks. So this was fun. Thank you guys for joining us looking at our fun P.LOUISE mystery boxes. Hopefully not the last one. I hope.
Exactly.
We enjoy it a lot. I hope you guys did too. If you did enjoy this video and would like to see more like this from us, I would love for you to hit subscribe. If you liked it, hit that like button and hit the notifications bell if you don't want to miss out on future videos. Leave me comments if you get the mystery boxes where you're at. Let me know. But for now, from Beth and Krista, have a great rest of your day. Bye.